नेक्स्ट है मॉडेम की अन्य विशेषताएं, अदर फीचर्स ऑफ मॉडेम। बिट प्रति सेकेंड, मॉडेम द्वारा डाटा को ट्रांसमिट या रिसीव करने की दर को बिट प्रति सेकेंड में व्यक्त किया जाता है। सामान्यतः लगभग 14.4 kbps के मॉडेम प्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं। लगभग 57.6 kbps की दर से डाटा ट्रांसमिट करने वाले मॉडेम उपलब्ध हैं। नेक्स्ट है ऑटो आंसर। ऑटो आंसर मॉडेम की सहायता से कंप्यूटर हमारी अनुपस्थिति में हमारी कॉल्स को रिसीव कर सकता है। फिर आता है इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ मॉडेम। मेक श्योर द मॉडेम कैन वर्क विद योर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर। चेक दैट द मॉडेम इज compatible with your operating system. Remove your old modem. Remember to uninstall any drivers associated with your old modem and reset your computer after doing so. Also keep the cables since you might need them for your new modem. Reset your computer after doing so. Also keep the cables since you might need, repeat कर दिया वो. Next is read the instructions. While this article can give you the basic steps for setting up your modem, every modem is different. Next is set the modem up. Place the modem in a location with good air circulation and away from other devices that may interfere with signals. Follow the instructions provided to connect the modem to the cable or DSL line in your house. If you are using DSL, you will need to install filters first into a phone line. Next step, power the modem on. Once you have connected the modem to the service source, power it on by plugging it on and pressing the power button. Wait a minute or two for the modem to boot up completely. The power light should be solid while your connection light may be blinking because the modem has not been activated yet. Connect your computer to the modem. Using an Ethernet cable, connect your computer to the internet or WAN port on the back of the modem. This will connect your computer directly to the internet. You can set up your wireless network after the modem has been activated. Start the activation process. Depending on your modem and service provider, you may need to run a setup program before you use the modem. In other case, you may need to open a web browser and then follow the on-screen prompts. To activate your service, refer to the directions provided by your service provider to be sure. Next है Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the name of a popular wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connections. A common misconception is that the term Wi-Fi is short for wireless fidelity. However, this is not the case. Wi-Fi is simply a trademark phrase that means IEEE 802.11x. With Wi-Fi, you can access the mobile internet in more places, whether you are browsing at home or out and about. You can use Wi-Fi to access the internet on your phone, tablet or laptop rather than your 4G or mobile connection. At home, you can use Wi-Fi if you have got a wireless router. Wi-Fi now works with no physical wired connection between sender and the receiver by using radio frequency technology, a frequency within the electromagnetic spectrum associated with radio wave propagation. When an RF current is supplied to an antenna, an electromagnetic field is created that then is able to propagate through space. The cornerstone of any wireless network is an access point. The primary job of an access point is to broadcast a wireless signal that computers can detect and tune into. In order to connect to an access point and join a wireless network, computers and devices must be equipped with wireless network adapters.